In example 5b, we need to find a confidence interval, but for a percentage. We need to follow the same steps as before. There's just one extra step at the end where we need to change the decimals to percents. So we need to start by finding the critical value. Let's draw the picture. We're 99% confidence level, so 99% in the middle. Leaves 1% left over, or 0.005 in each tail. Using table A2 or inverse norm on your calculator, you can find that critical value, and you should find it to be 2.575. In this case, they told us that p hat was 29%, or 0.29. So q hat is 1 minus 0.29, or 0.71. They also gave us the sample size, which is 1,025. And now we can find E. E is equal to the critical value 2.575 times the square root of 0.29 times 0.71 divided by the sample size, which is 1,025. And when you work that all out, you should end up with 0.0365. And now we can find the confidence interval. We need p hat, which is 0.29, minus the error 0.0365 is less than p, is less than, on the other side, 0.29 plus 0.0365. And now we need to add and subtract and round these numbers to 3 significant digits, and we should have 0.254 is less than p is less than 0.327. And now, since we want percents, there's just one more step, and that's to change these decimals to percent. So move the decimal point 2 places to the right and add the percent sign. Gives us 25.4% is less than p is less than 32.7%. So we are 99% confident that the interval from 25.4% to 32.7% contains a true value of the population proportion. Now you can also use your calculator to find the confidence interval. However, you will need to find x first. And x is equal to 29% of 1,025. And that should give you 297.25, but you would want to round that number to the nearest whole person, which would be 297. So then you would go to your calculator and enter stat test 1 proportion z interval. You can enter the information they ask for, and you'll get a slightly different answer this time. You should get 0.253 is less than p is less than 0.326, and then when you convert those decimals to percentages, you have 25.3% is less than p is less than 32.6%.